The nutribullet Personal Blender for Shakes is a remarkable product, perfect for individuals seeking a convenient and efficient way to prepare nutritious beverages. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I can confidently state that this blender is a game changer. One of the key features that sets the nutribullet Personal Blender apart is its portable design. Its compact size, measuring 5.5 D into 5.5 W, 7.9 H, makes it incredibly convenient for people on the go. Whether you're taking it to the office traveling or simply moving it between rooms in your home, its portability ensures that you can enjoy your favorite shakes no matter where you are. The nutribullet Personal Blender also boasts a sleek gray color, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen or workspace. It effortlessly blends well with any decor, adding a touch of elegance to your surroundings. With a capacity of 1.5 pounds, this blender is perfect for one-serving smoothies and shakes,